Session interrupted by the Unigltf module DLL pop-up. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. It's time to resync your libraries and clear that crash for good. Before we walk through the Unigltf module troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the Unigltf module, a specialized library module for the Unity engine that manages the importing and rendering of 3D models in the GlTF GL transmission format standard. It is essential for VR applications and games that use dynamic 3D asset streaming. If missing, the host application will fail to display 3D objects, often resulting in an empty viewport or a resource manifest not found crash. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. A missing Unigltf module DLL usually suggests that a failed update removed a critical piece of the Unigltf/Unity integration, so reinstalling the latest version of your software, where the error was shown, will automatically restore the library and update the registry links. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to re-scan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Unigltf module component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone Unigltf module DLL downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If missing library references are recurring, the software link below provides general information on maintaining Unigltf module. If you've regained access to Unigltf module thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.